the problem. Let's look at another example. Finding whether a number is odd or even. Let's take the number is equals to 7. Finding a number is odd or even, we divide the number by 2 and get the remainder. If the remainder is equals to 0, then it is an even number. If the remainder is 1, then it is an odd number. As shown here, when 7 divided by 2, we get remainder as 1. Then we can decide the number 7 is an odd number. According to the problem analysis using input, process and output, let's look at how to analyze this problem. Input, we can say the number. The process. Process is the steps that you need to follow. Find whether the number is odd or even. So you can write the steps as dividing the number by 2, then deciding that the number is even if the remainder is 0. Deciding the number is odd if the remainder is equals to 1. Then the output is indicating whether the number is odd or even. I hope you can understood about how to analyze a problem using the input, process, outputs. Now Meena having another problem. What are alternative solutions? Can you explain with an example? If there is more than one solution to a given problem, such solutions are called alternative solutions. Okay, let's think about your dinner today. You can prepare it by yourself at home. Or you can order using Pick Me Eats or Uber Eats. And also you can go and buy it from a restaurant. Or you can take your dinner at the restaurant. All the solutions pertaining a problem are called solution space. So there can be option 1, prepare dinner by yourself. Option 2, order dinner using Pick Me Eats or Uber Eats. Option 3, buy dinner from a restaurant. And finally, the option 4, you can take the dinner in a restaurant or a hotel. So these are we are calling as solution space. From out of these, you select the appropriate one for your solution. Then the other solutions are called alternative solutions. Let's look at an example. Finding the perimeter of a rectangle. This rectangle has a length of 6 centimeters and width of 3 centimeters. So we have to analyze the problem using inputs, outputs and process. So the input is length and width of the rectangle. Process is to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. Output is perimeter of the rectangle. So the process, we can have number of solutions. So the first solution is perimeter is equals to length plus width plus length plus width. The second solution, we can calculate the perimeter using this formula. Length into 2 plus width into 2. And also we can solve this problem, or we can find the perimeter using this equation. Length plus width into 2. So the three solutions get same perimeter, which means you have 3 solutions for the one particular problem. So you can say the solution space is solution 1, solution 2 and solution 3. From this, if you consider the solution 3 as your process, the other two options or other two solutions we can say the alternative solutions, which means if you consider these two as alternative solution. I hope you have understood about alternative solutions.